Manipur Governor Anusaya Uke yesterday visited the families of deceased Hijam Linthoingambi and Hijam Hemanjit and shared their sorrows, besides pledging to extend all possible help and support to the bereaved families of the two innocent students. Governor Anusaya Uke also gave assurance to hand over the dead bodies of Linthoingambi and Hemanjit to their families. During her visit to the families of late Hijam Linthoingambi, family members demanded not to commit further atrocities on the students, who have been protesting peacefully against the brutal murder of the two innocent students. While meeting with the family members of Hijam Hemanjit, the governor was reminded of the earlier memorandum submitted to her and reiterated to punish the perpetrators. Family members of Hijam Hemanjit also expressed discontentment over the state's inability to nab the culprits, while noting the act of suppressing the case by Mary, stating that the case has been handed over to the CBI.
Mr. Tutu enganang petum serama boleh. Atau nanti kau karek sila cina nih. Mau yukat pinakan yang biasa ni apa cina nama. Atau nanti satu bibi romo itu cina. Ay atau ketemu ay nisai atau ini. Tapi itu tu mau itu angan sih bukan dia mau gimana.
Saya maran kaino, nomai baru tu natte mati छात्र ने तो kaino mau itu tu.
मैं समझ रही हूँ आपका जो भी मेरे से हुआ मैंने सब
सारी maran kaino itu उनका वो कोई है.
linthoingambi gi yumda amadi taken kolom lekai da leiba Hijam Hemanjit ki yumda changduna leiriba akoi mama mapa chingduda karsi togduna console togduna maki oibo wafam kaya ma thamami loinana magna roibada takbirami aikoi maki taraptagi angamba mateng pangani loinana aikoi sarkar gi maikai dagi soidana pangangani aduga loinana hairiba makoi gi dead body se phangmang amnaba magi levenda aroiba angamba thakda honagani magna aikoi unaraba matungda pungani da unaraba matungda maki haibam thokpa loinamak information Home Minister da tongan ba security makok thongba singda loinamak pigre atuba matamda aikoi phangba ngamnaba amadi CBI gi inquiry su atuba matamda loisanduna aikoi result phanganaba honagani haibna singba mak masana su takpiragle aduga iroinana ngasi aikoi sija hospital asideida asokpa singbu ai isama ka loinana yengba lakhibani haiba wafam si thamjari.